first wash. This is after the first wash. Next water.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, so this is like a update. And so this is after the wash. Excuse the link. So what I'm gonna do now is, look at my gray. See how shiny it is? But after the wash and stuff, this is what it looks like. So let me see if I can put the phone down. So this is it. So as you can see, it's like way more frizzy. This is going across my parts. As you can see, I got some new growth. So yeah. This is what it looks like. Boom, boom. I will be tightening up the top part, like where you can see, well, you can't really see it, but I know what it's supposed to look like. So I want to kind of like go back at the tops and like tighten up my roots. And maybe I'll do that like later on. I'm not doing it tonight. Okay, so I forgot to mention that this is how I let it dry. I don't let my hair dry to the back as I mentioned before, because it'll like pull my hair back, and then you know when it dry it'll be all flat. See, like right now this is like flat to me. So what I probably do is like make some corkscrews and kind of just so I can just have it puffy. But yeah, this is how it's looking when it's down on another gray streak. So also tune in for, I'm gonna cover up these purples just because I want my hair to be back black. I probably keep in the green, I'm not really sure, but right now I'm gonna cover up some of the purple ones, and I'll do that on a different video and show you that. So far this is the only one that I've covered up. As you can see, looks more like a coiled type of direction. So yeah, that's how they pretty much gonna look. So tune in for that whenever I post it.